Alright, she begins. This cover is for a sci-fi fantasy horror book. And trying not to get the glare in. Let's see if I can do better with that. Oh, that's kind of better. And it's a ball with spikes. And it's been used by evil men for many, many years to basically suck the life essence out of a human being. So, in talking to the author, he kind of wanted it somewhat like Hellraiser, but I suggested less spikes and not like nails. But so we're making it look old and decrepit, and around it we're going to have bones and skulls and nasties. So we're just taking care of the ball right now. Underneath it, we're going to have like split earth, and it's going to fade into darkness on both sides, and we're going to try to do some reflections of the skulls and stuff on the outside in the inner portion. So I have X amount of, you can see where I've marked out where the spikes need to go, and so we're going to get her done. So hey, this is Stuart Smith for Fantasy Drawing Fun, and this is our project we're working on right now. Like and subscribe, and more coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.